In this video, we'll explore using the PLC Address Management Tool in the Design to Manufacturing software. The tool can be found under the Add-ons tab of DTM panel. The tool opens as a Microsoft Excel worksheet. For full functionality, be sure to enable content on the workbook. The tool can pull the PLC addresses used in the open project, filling out the columns with relevant information. The opened project has missing PLC comments. They can be added to the Excel sheet and then pushed to the project. The PLC Address Management Tool can be used to improve consistency between the PLC program and the project's drawings.